And welcome to another Boxycharm update. We're going to be doing an update on the base box for July, what we know so far, as well as important dates for add-ons and choices for the base box. So before we jump in, if you guys are new here, hey, welcome. My name's Rhonda. There are 3 giveaways going on our channel right now. I will link them in the comment section or in the description box down below for you guys, as well as if you are curious about how I got this makeup look, trying out a bunch of new products. I have a get ready with me that will probably go up this coming Sunday, so I'd love for you guys to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I'm uploading over here all the time, sneak peeks, spoilers, unboxings, and reviews, makeup looks, all of that fun stuff. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so a little bit about the Boxycharm Base Box. Now this is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month plus tax, and you do get to customize one item in the box. So of course I'm going to go ahead, jump over here so I can pop up a little bit of the information that we know so far. As far as the choices went, there are 3 choices that you could have chose from. Now, the choice window is already closed. I want to say your choices were available June 8th, I believe, or June 9th. Now, the way that this works as far as customization goes is you do choose your item about a month prior. So like I said, June 8th or 9th was when the choice window opened for the base box. So the window is now closed. It's open for about 24 hours. So you just jump in there, make your choice, and then you'll receive it in the following month in the box. Now I will tell you guys, the first one to go was by Babe Lash. Apparently everybody has tried this before but me. Now this has a retail value of around $58.99, and this is called the Babe Lash Essential Serum. Now I went and did a little bit of research on there, and if you guys did pick this, a lot of people say that this is absolutely amazing, and they say that the lash serum is applied at the lash line at least once a day, morning or evening. Most users experience noticeable results in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. Let me know down below if you guys have tried this out. Now I want to say, when I talked about this in a past video, some of you guys said that you had, and you had really good results, and I want to say some of you guys did say that you did experience a little bit of irritation. So let me know down below. The only lash serum that I have tried recently is by MASCARA, and this was actually in 2 different subscription services this past month. So right now this is the only one that I am using. Now in the past I have tried Latisse and I really liked it, but I did notice that using it too much, it did start to discolor part of my blue eyes, and that freaked me out. So I haven't used it in quite a bit, but knowing me, I was probably overusing it, so whatever, there's that. So moving on to the next item that was available for choices, and this was another item that I feel like came in second that a lot of you guys did decide to go with, and that is called the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. I don't know why that was so hard to say. It does have a retail value of $49.95, and some of you guys are really into reading ingredients, so kudos to you guys on that. A lot of you guys said that you chose this one because you did like the ingredients in this particular item. It says it's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts. They come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. Our vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce the eventual signs of aging. Additionally, it works well with acne-prone skin due to powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties in pineapple enzymes and green tea extract. Add to your moisturizer or your night cream for a vitamin C boost, or use alone as a serum. So let me know down below if you guys went with this. I'd love to like come back and read the comment section and see which one came out on top. Like I said, the last video, it was kind of new to, actually I don't even think that the window maybe had just opened or was opening that day when I talked about the sneak peeks, and a lot of you guys were like, I want the lash serum, or I wanted the vitamin C booster, now that I think about it. So let me know down below what you went with. The last item was by 111 Skin, and this is the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. You guys, this has a retail value of $135. So I am quite curious to see if you chose this particular item, what else will be in your base box. Because as we know, the base box has a minimum retail value of $125 worth of product in here. So you always get at least 5 items in your box. So I'm really curious, if you go with this one, what is the rest of the box going to look like? You know what I mean? So let me know down below if you guys did decide to go with this one. Like I said, retail value of $135. And it says, providing the multifaceted complexion defense, the essential booster utilizes the power of protective peptides and antioxidants to shield the skin and safeguard against damage caused by free radicals. It's a must-have for skin that is exposed to harsh urban environments and long periods of time in front of a screen. Oh, huh. That's quite interesting. I'm gonna stick with it. I would say if I had a choice, I would probably pick this. This sounds kind of cool. Anyways, guys, so those were the 3 choices. So as far as your sneak peek goes, that is going to be the first one, and of course this is the one you customized. As far as the other 2 that I've come across, that appears to be, I believe, what we will definitely be seeing in our base box. The first one is by the Creme Shop, or the Creme Shop, and this is the Ready Set Glow Cushion Highlighter. Now this does have a retail value of $20, and when I went to the Creme Shop's website, it does look like there is a total of 4 shades, that there could be a variation. However, as far as I've seen on the internet, it only looks to be one particular shade, which I believe is Gold Glow. Could be wrong on that. It's speculation, not confirmation. That's kind of how my videos roll. But as far as it goes, I do believe it may just be one across the board. Again, not 100% on that. A little bit about it. It says the cushion highlighter is a luxurious, hi. Love that I can't talk. It's not luxurious, it's luscious. Wow, so hard to talk today. The highlighter is a luscious hydrating formula that gives the skin a beautiful, buildable glow. It says secure the index middle finger. You use like this little sponge pad and you apply it to the cheek. And like I said, it does have a retail value of $20. Okay, so the next sneak peek spoiler that we have seen is by Hourglass, and these are the Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadows. Now I went to Sephora's website, and it does look like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 10 different shades available. And again, I don't know if that's how it's going to be for Boxycharm, or if there's just going to be like a variation of like just a couple of them across the board. I will tell you guys, I really like these. This is one of the originals that I picked up when it first launched a year ago, 2 years ago, I can't remember. This is the Reflect shade, and then I did pick up the holiday set that was available, and it is a little bit smaller of a size. This has 2 grams and this has 3.5 grams. So I don't know which size we will be seeing in our box, but I will tell you guys, I have 4 of them and I use them and I really like them. The nice thing about them is the fact that it have a really pretty shimmer to them, but they don't go accentuating your like mature lids or fine lines or anything like that. It's just a really pretty formula, and you know, that is just kind of how Hourglass is. It's almost like it's made for that mature skin. Like whether you have fine lines, wrinkles, crinkles, whatever it is, it just beautifies the skin. I love Hourglass. You guys know that. I use a lot of Hourglass products, and I think that if you happen to receive these, you will be really happy. Now, I can attest for the Creme Shop highlighter. Unfortunately, I do not have that in my collection. And honestly, between the 2, I kind of would rather get the Hourglass Scattered Lights. But that's just me, only because I do have a lot of highlights. But then again, I don't know what shades they're going to be putting in our box as far as the Scattered Lights go. So I may already have the colors. I don't know. Which is only a benefit to you guys or to Haley because of my mom. Because that's, you know, you guys get giveaways as well as my family gets stuff too. Anyways, guys, as far as another item, I did talk about this before with you guys, and that's the Marc Jacobs Beauty Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream Moisturizer. Now, I'm not 100%, but I do kind of feel like this may be seen in our base box, which I think would be absolutely amazing. It has a retail value of $59, and it's a multitasking moisturizer with powerful pineapple enzymes, and it helps to hydrate the skin, retexturize the skin, and give glowing results for makeup ready skin. So I'm really curious to see if in fact 100% we will see this. Like I said, speculation, not confirmation, but let me know down below if you happen to know for sure. But pretty excited about that. The last item I want to talk to you guys about, and this is actually one that I have, but there was actually a TikTok floating around that Boxycharm uploaded to their TikTok account. And if you're not following me over there, definitely follow me over on TikTok as well as Boxycharm, because they do give some sneak peeks over there as well. But this is the Neogen Pore Mousse, and actually I did not know about this. My 14-year-old actually had found this on TikTok a while back, and she was like, "Mom, this looks so cool. I need this. Like, can I please have this?" And of course I picked it up. I actually picked it up off of like QVC or HSN or something. I found it online at Amazon and also at the beauty spa. It does have a retail value of $28. That is what I paid for it as well. And just like you see on the TikTok, it is like this little foamy mousse that comes out, and as you like, you know, it like dissolves the stuff on your skin, and it looks so gross, but it really does. Like, look at it. It kind of reminds me of like oh, I can't think of that skincare product that does that, but it's kind of cool. Like, at first I thought it was a little gimmicky, you know, but it really, I mean, you see I had a bunch of swatches there, and it definitely removes stuff. So anyways guys, that is something that, again, I don't know 100% if we're going to see it in our base box, but a lot of the times when we see spoilers like that, somehow these products end up in our future boxes, whether that be the base, the luxe, the premium, whatever it may be. So let's go ahead and talk about some important dates to stay tuned for, to mark down on your calendar, because you don't want to miss out when it comes to add-ons. We've already gotten some sneak peek spoilers as far as the add-ons go. Now this is when you get like 70% plus off of products. Now here's where I'm really excited, because as we know, in the July premium box, we are seeing the Kenya O Beauty palette. We did get choices as far as that goes on the blush palette and the highlight contour palette. Now it does appear that we're going to be able to potentially add the blush palette as an add-on. So that opens up early access for premium and luxe members as well as waitlist members is going to be July 13th. Now, all access to everybody else is July 14th. But I'm super excited about it because, like I said, this is the add-ons. This is when you can add items to your box that we've seen items in past boxes, if that makes sense. So things like the Kenya O Beauty, which kind of shocked me to see that as an add-on, but Gerard Cosmetics, the lipstick or the lip gloss, whatever it was, the Zoeva Strobe Gel, Becca, Dominique Cosmetics, the Thunder palette, which was again a palette we saw in past boxes. The LMS skincare is going to be in there. There is a ton of different items to choose from. So as soon as that opens up, definitely make sure you are subscribed so you get notifications, because I do like to post in our community tab section to let you guys know when add-ons are available. Now, as far as choices for the base box go for next month, you're going to want to mark calendars for July 14th, because that is when you get to make your choices for your August box. And I don't know yet what those choices are going to be, but I will definitely let you guys know, because you know your girl comes back and tells you a little bit of information about each of those items that you can choose from. So anyways guys, let me know down below what were your choices for your July box. Definitely make sure to mark your calendars if you are a premium and luxe member for July 13th. Base box members, mark your calendars for July 14th, because you're going to want to make your choices and you're going to want to add some goodies onto your box. Now those do ship separately. I do believe they're working on potentially shipping them together eventually, but I don't know. But I want to say these are also, they ship for free. So anyways, let me know down below what your choices were, what you're most excited about, and if there's any future spoilers that maybe I have missed for the base box for July. It never fails. I film this video, I edit the video, I upload the video, I schedule the video, it goes live, and guess what they do? they give me more sneaky peekies. So that you know what that means. I'll be coming back and letting you guys know. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would help me out by giving me a big thumbs up. I would love for you guys to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I did start uploading on Sundays to little get ready with me's at 9 p.m. Eastern time, as well as Monday through Friday. I'm always uploading over here at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. And I also, shockingly enough, have got my together, and I'm uploading back on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. It's just randomness. I'm pretty much staying in the house all the time. So if you are looking for some more content to watch of crazy, quirky, random rambles, check me out on Hotmess Momma Vlogs. Anyways, friends, I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Like I said, there are 3 giveaways still going on, and I will leave them in the description box as well as in the comment section down below. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will also have a link listed down in that section as well for you guys. It is a commission-based link, so thank you guys in advance if you do decide to use my link to sign up for Boxycharm, whether that be the base, the premium, or the luxe box. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!